Hi, Ella. How are you?
Good.
Good. What are we going to do today?
Falling pom-poms.
Falling pom-poms and making what with them?
Apples.
Apple
Pie.
pie and apple. Are you making a pattern with these? All right. Let's see your pom-poms fall in patterns. Maybe we can line them up and you can show me a cool pattern with your pom-poms.
Red, yellow, green, yellow, green, green,
Well, that's not really a pattern, is it?
green.
Those are just apples falling from the tree. Let me see your apples fall from your tree. Very good. Now let me see you make a pattern with those apples. Take those apples and make a pattern for me, please. Go ahead. Start right here, please.
Before we leave, Mommy.
Can you start right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Show everyone how you make a pattern with those apples.
Tough for me to line them up.
That's good enough. What colors?
Green, yellow, red.
What would be next? Is that how we make a pattern?
Well, I'm doing different patterns.
Okay. So now, what's that pattern?
Red, yellow, green.
Okay. Can you make it the same pattern? You just made a reverse pattern. There you go. Excellent. Now, can you do a tricky one for me? Can we do... Can you do this pattern? The one that I made for you? Very good doing your pattern. What about the one I made for you? Can you tell me what they are? Very good. What colors?
Yellow, yellow, red, yellow, green.
Green. Very good. Very nice job. All right, Ella. Thank you so much.
Time to be the falling tree.
All right, Ella's going to do the falling tree one more time. All right, go ahead. Way up high in the apple tree. Way up high in the apple tree. All the apples fall down on me. Thank you so much, Ella. What do we say?
Bye.
Bye. Remember, guys, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun.